Welcome back to day 6 of the 12 days of baked goods, and today we're going to keep it simple and I'm just going to show you how to decorate 6 different Christmas themed cupcakes. I ended up using just a simple vanilla recipe to make some cupcakes for this and some buttercream, and we're just going to start decorating. So I'm piping a white dollop on here, and I'm going to be using a parchment paper square to place my cupcake upside down to have a flat surface, and then I'm going to place this on a sheet pan to stick in the freezer and let it chill for a bit. And I'm going to do this with all my colors. So first we're going to be doing a snowman, which will be this white frosting. We're going to do a Christmas tree, so I'm using green frosting for this. Then I'm using a light ivory tone to do this one, and then we're going to do more of a light brown for the reindeer. So we're going to be decorating some snowmen, a gingerbread man, Santa Claus, Christmas tree, and a Santa hat. So once these are all chilled, I'm just going to remove the parchment paper from the top, and they will have a nice clean flat surface to work with. The first one we're going to be doing is the snowman. So with some black frosting, I ended up making 2 little eyes, and then I'm going to be putting 2 more circles to the side and then filling out 3 more, and this will be like the coal that you use to make the face. And then with some orange frosting, I'm making a little carrot nose as well. And there's our snowman. Next up we have the gingerbread man. With some white frosting, I'm making a little squiggle on top. And then with that black frosting again, I'm just going to be making some eyeballs. And then I'm going to make a smile. Mine came out a little crooked, so try to do it as best as you can. And then with some red frosting, I'm just giving it some blush or its little dimples on the sides. And with that, you have your cute little gingerbread man. Next up, with some red frosting, we're going to be doing a Santa hat. So just make a little spiral here, just stack it up. Then using a star tip, I'm going to just be making little designs for the rim of the hat. Just do this along the border. And once you're done doing that, just do one big one on top, and there you go. There's your Santa hat. Next, we'll be making Santa's face. So just do a little bit of red on top, smooth it out, and that's going to be his hat. And then again, with that star tip, just make little star dollops along the hat, along for his beard. And a big dollop on top for the Santa hat on his head. And then with the black frosting, I'm going to be adding his face, so his eyeballs and a little bit of a mouth. And then with a small amount of white, you can add little pupils. And then with the star tip, I just did his beard, and there's Santa. And next up, we're going to be doing a Christmas tree. So with a star tip, just circle around, make a dollop for this. You're going to want to use some sturdy frosting so you can keep its shape and it doesn't collapse. And then with little sprinkles, I'm going to be adding these as if they're the Christmas lights. Once that's done, I'll add a star on top, and there's a Christmas tree. And finally, we'll be doing a reindeer. We're going to be doing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. With the red frosting, I'm just making his little nose. With the black, I'll be making his eyes. And then with a slightly darker brown, I will be making his antlers. This one ended up a little crooked because I was facing the camera while piping. And then with the white, add the pupils. And here's our 6 Christmas themed cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 7. Stay sweet and happy holidays.